Dear PRM Associates, through this video today, we will give you the information about TRM's cough care segments, Fanny Cough Syrup. So let us talk about why Fanny Cough Syrup is firmly established in the market since 2001 and lakhs of customers have their trust in Fanny Cough Syrup. So here is why Fanny Cough Syrup are different than other cough syrup. It has a unique set of 19 herbs like ardusi, haldi, sunti and honey, which is excellent cough suppressor and traditional sore throat soother. Now let us see the indication of Fanny cough syrup. Relief from cough and cold, excellent effect, torrent and soothe sore throat, and all of this at a great price that is profitable for you and affordable for the customer. We look forward to having you with us. Welcome to the PRM family. Let us extend the healthy horizons together. Thank you.